Malacañang statement on the Miss Universe pageant, we convey our most heartfelt felicitations for all the Miss Universe candidates, and especially cheer and throw our support for the Miss Philippines candidate, Maxine Medina, who deserves all the moral boost she can get for working very hard and giving her best in a competition that promotes goodwill and friendship among nations. As the country's representative, Maxine is able to show the beauty, warmth, hope, and dignity of the Filipino. We are truly proud of her. We are also grateful for this experience of hosting the pageant, assured and confident that 2016 Miss Universe experience has been joyful and memorable for all the candidates and for our foreign guests. We invite them to come back, and bring more of their friends to explore the various islands of the Philippines, ready to be astonished of the unexhausted beauty of each one, and willing to be moved in every way by the fervent spirit of the Filipino people. And so we say, mabuhay! Mabuhay! Mabuhay!